All right, so guys, it's so unfortunate. Okay, such thing like nukule yano, born mishishi. Sometimes when we talk, people feel like we are being tribalistic or like our tribe is the one that is only important for us. But I keep telling people, see, we are the most nicest and accommodating and like lovely people. Born machine. Oh, ba obanake. Wo eno kuna actually boy. Wo hili boy ojuba. Ni ke wo libo poke Adam. We treat you well. We do our best for you and just to make you feel at home. I've seen it in my family. I've seen it around me. I've seen my people do it. Do you get it? And that's what we did. And today, Accra is a peaceful place for everybody. Aside Ghanaians, we even have foreigners living here in Ghana, in Accra, born in Shishi. So, um, when you see such things, just look at where the truth is, and then ask yourself that if you were in our shoes, what would you have done? You also feel the same pain, born in Shishi. Ni ya no na ke efe tamonoko ni ajigbe a plan na tashini hafe just more like bini what will be ne ona what will be ne jaja Africa ama tashi he gonna me conference na jaja Africa ke buko ne ha o na ke there's something like that. I feel it born me okay come on take your thing bu moko no head or institution no like the right thing needs to be done ke moko ya kasega ne te school ne akasega ne ba chonga mi no ha ne ba ehin gama mi no ne choni school so ko o wulekete north o wulekete eastern region central mi ne ya fe ni de man nye ha na chonga ni a chonga ni she go man name ni aton ni ha ne bia na aton all the languages here in Ghana in Accra and Joe born me it's so sad. Listen to what Honorable Sam George has to say about this thing. And then now you see, okay, even Poker Wash, we've been able to realize and know what is going on. Our big men out there, they also know. And I think it's time, maybe, all Gadangbe leaders, authorities, chief, Mofia Mateshi, and knows fight for. Come on, go back and issue ne Kwame Nkrumah Museum. Now there's, how do you call it? A press release ni Ghana Tourism Authority ke they don't have hand in it and all that. What kind of nonsense is this? And sometimes any dollar call by you call me if you call okay, oh you mo call o no pa here. It be fine. You can fenya fia ni won be meji Ghana and wo me won akenya ke it is a we shaka oba JB. Well, the same way it could have happened in another region and we could have lived peacefully. We are all Ghanaians. And stop those kind of nonsense. War no call me ne. Oye nyanyoko. Ni akan alo even alo fancy. Born mishi. Okay, may live or fine. So why is that when it comes to the broad daylight, like an issue can't but meanwhile, we all have friends that are coming from different tribes.
Many of the things that we refer to as our culture have been termed demonic practices. And so we're actually walking away from our culture. And Mr. Speaker, as a Dangme boy from the Gandangme ethnic group, I am very, very, very worried. Because, Mr. Speaker, in 2017, when I became member of parliament for Ningo Prampram, in the Ningo Prampram district, there were 37 Akan language teachers, but there were only 2 Dangme teachers. In a Dangme community like Ningo or district like Ningo and Prampram. And so there was a shortage of teachers. Mr. Speaker, I made a conscious effort within the first 4 years in office to work with the University of Education Winnipeg, which had a bachelor's degree in Dangme. And we sponsored children to go and study and get the degree. But Mr. Speaker, that did not solve the problem. You then have the Ghana Education Service post these Dangme teachers away to the north, or post them to the Ashanti region to go and teach social studies and Bible knowledge when they studied Dangme. So why are you posting them away? And so recently, the Gandangme Tahuloyakwe took a stance and said they thought that the Ghana Education Service was intentionally working to kill some languages. Because, Mr. Speaker, if we have trained teachers in our local languages, and there is a shortage of teachers in the region. Why post them away to go and teach a different language? It makes absolutely no sense.